Ah, celebrities. They dazzle us with their talent, charm us with their charisma, and occasionally remind us that fame doesn't grant immunity from the long arm of the law. As we navigate through 2025, the entertainment world has seen its fair share of stars making headlines, not for their latest projects, but for their courtroom dramas. Let's delve into the video most notable celebrity legal entanglements from January to March 2025. Number 10. Haley Joel Osmond, seeing red and blue lights. Once the cherubic face of The Sixth Sense, Haley Joel Osmond found himself in a less than enchanting scenario on April 8th. At Mammoth Mountain Ski Area in California, Osmond was arrested for alleged public intoxication and possession of a controlled substance, suspected to be cocaine pending lab results. Authorities responded to reports of unruly conduct, leading to his brief detainment. This isn't Osmond's first brush with the law. In 2006, he faced DUI and marijuana possession charges following a car accident. Earlier in 2025, Osmond's home in Altadena was destroyed in the Eaton fire, a loss he described emotionally, expressing his deep attachment to the residents. Number 9. Sean Diddy Combs. Music mogul Sean Diddy Combs is currently entangled in a complex legal web. In March, he appeared in court facing charges including racketeering conspiracy, sex trafficking, and transportation to engage in prostitution. Combs has pleaded not guilty to all charges, but the gravity of the allegations has cast a shadow over his illustrious career. Prosecutors allege that between 2004 and 2024, Combs exploited his business empire to sexually abuse women, including orchestrating events known as freak-offs involving male sex workers. He is also contending with numerous civil lawsuits from both women and men alleging sexual abuse. Although Combs issued an apology after a 2016 surveillance video emerged showing him assaulting a woman, his attorney maintains that the footage does not constitute evidence of sex trafficking. Number 8. William Levy. Cuban-American actor and Dancing with the Stars alum William Levy was arrested on April 14th in Fort Lauderdale, Florida. The charges? Disorderly intoxication and trespassing after an incident at a high-end restaurant. Levy claimed he was attempting to de-escalate a situation between his friend and another patron. He spent 24 hours in custody before being released on a $500 bond. In his first public statement, Levy remarked, "They had to take me for something," emphasizing that he was not aggressive during the incident. The actor, known for his roles in telenovelas and films like Resident Evil, The Final Chapter, has faced recent personal scandals, making this arrest another addition to his turbulent year. Number 7. Zachary Ty Bryan. Known for his role on Home Improvement, Zachary Ty Bryan was arrested on January 1st in Myrtle Beach, South Carolina. He faces charges of second-degree domestic violence after allegedly assaulting his partner, Johnny Faye Cartwright. Reports indicate Bryan choked and punched Cartwright during the altercation. This marks Bryan's third arrest for domestic violence, with previous incidents in 2020 and 2023. In the last year, he has also been arrested twice on DUI charges, with his most recent arrest taking place in Oklahoma in October. Number 6. Fred Kerley, Olympic sprinter. Fred Kerley found himself in legal trouble on January 2nd in Miami Beach, Florida. He was charged with disorderly conduct, battery on a law enforcement officer, and resisting arrest without violence. The incident began when Kerley approached an active police investigation, leading to a confrontation and his subsequent arrest. Kerley, 29, was arrested after allegedly pushing a police officer and resisting arrest. The incident occurred during a confrontation with police in Miami Beach, captured on body camera footage. Kerley pleaded not guilty to the charges, and his legal team has yet to comment publicly on the matter. Number 5. Michael Lohan. Michael Lohan, father of actress Lindsay Lohan, was arrested twice in early 2025. In February, he faced felony assault charges after allegedly flipping his estranged wife, Kate Major, out of a chair during a dispute. Then, in March, he was arrested for violating his probation related to a 2021 conviction for illegal patient brokering. According to court documents, Lohan was charged with continuous violence against the family and was observed stalking his wife at a medical facility. He pleaded not guilty to the charges and is currently awaiting trial. Number 4. Vitaly Zdorovetskiy. The internet prankster lifestyle wild, unpredictable, and occasionally jail-worthy. Vitaly Zdorovetskiy, the YouTube provocateur with millions of followers and even more controversial antics, learned this lesson the hard way on April 2nd, 2025. While filming in the Philippines, Vitaly allegedly crossed the legal line, and not just a metaphorical one. He was arrested after live streaming a series of stunts that included threatening to rob a woman, snatching a security guard's cap like it was a souvenir, and joyriding on a patrol motorcycle. Authorities wasted no time charging him with unjust vexation, a uniquely Filipino charge for intentional public annoyance, theft, and harassment. This wasn't his first rodeo. Vitaly has a rap sheet longer than most people's YouTube watch history, including a previous arrest in Miami for climbing a building naked. Number 3. Russell Brand. Once hailed as the wild philosopher of pop culture and known for his rapid-fire wit and chaotic charm, Russell Brand's reputation has taken a nosedive straight into the courtroom. On April 4th, 2025, the Metropolitan Police formally charged Brand with multiple historical offenses, including 1 count of rape, 1 count of oral rape, 1 indecent assault, and 2 additional charges of sexual assault. These alleged incidents span from 1999 to 2005, back when Brand's career was just beginning its meteoric rise. But that's not all. Brand also faces a civil lawsuit in New York, stemming from an alleged sexual assault on the set of the 2011 film Arthur. The accusations have sent shockwaves through the entertainment world, with many questioning how long these alleged behaviors were swept under the rug. Number 2. Andrew Tate. If controversy had a mascot, Andrew Tate would be it. The former kickboxer turned internet sensation has built a brand on being loud, brash, and wildly polarizing. But now, 2025 has delivered a plot twist that even his followers didn't see coming. Tate is under simultaneous investigations in Romania, the UK, and the United States, and none of them are for motivational speaking. In Romania, he's facing serious charges of human trafficking, rape, and forming an organized crime group. Authorities allege that Tate and his brother operated a network exploiting women under the guise of running a webcam business. Meanwhile, in the UK, he's the subject of a European arrest warrant for sexual aggression. And as if international drama wasn't enough, Florida's Attorney General launched an investigation into his financial and online activities just weeks after Tate set foot on US soil in March. Number 1. Busta Rhymes. Busta Rhymes might be known for his rapid-fire lyrics and booming voice, but in 2025, it's the sound of handcuffs that made the biggest noise. On January 17th, the rap icon was arrested in Brooklyn and charged with third-degree assault after allegedly beating up his assistant. The altercation reportedly erupted over a phone, yes, a phone leading to facial injuries that landed the assistant in the hospital and Rhymes in custody. While his legal team insists it was a heated misunderstanding, this incident is hardly Busta's first dance with the justice system. His record includes previous charges of assault, DUI, and even a gym-related brawl. Still, fans remain divided, some standing behind their hip-hop hero, others questioning if fame should keep buying him second chances. Like this deep dive video into celebrity chaos? Smash that like button harder than Busta Rhymes' assistant allegedly got smacked. Subscribe for more unfiltered celebrity crime breakdowns where fame meets felony.